Hello everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share Shein wishlist on app. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, on your device, go ahead and launch Shein app. After that, once you are on this page on your device, to view your wishlist, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see an heart icon, that is wishlist icon. So simply tap onto that icon and here you will be able to see all the items that you have added to your wishlist. Now we cannot simply share our wishlist to our friends or family, but what we can do is we can shift this product to our board and then we will be able to share the board with our friends and family. For that, you will see board option near the item, so simply tap on board. Now you can create a new board. Now you will see an option that says board just near the items option, so tap on board option. Here you can create a board as you like. Simply tap on create board and create a name of a board that you want. Suppose I'm going with my shopping. After that, tap on create option and you will be able to add the product on your wish list to your board. So simply select the product that you want to add. Tap on add to board option that you will see at the bottom right corner. Now you have successfully added items to your board and then you have created your new board. Now go one step back and you will be able to see the board that you have recently created. Now to share it with your friends and family, you will see share icon at that board, so simply tap on share icon and you will be able to share with your friends and your family. So I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe our channel, like the video, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.